Welcome back to another thrilling mining story. Today we witness the unbelievable power and precision of the Hitachi EX2600-6, a true beast in the world of mining machinery. Watch closely as this massive hydraulic excavator effortlessly fills up a Cat 77-7D dump truck in just 4 powerful buckets. This is the kind of efficiency and coordination that defines modern open-pit mining operations around the world. The Hitachi EX2600-6 is a hydraulic excavator designed for the toughest mining environments. With an operating weight of around 250 tons and a bucket capacity of nearly 17 cubic meters, it can move enormous amounts of overburden or ore with ease. Its Cummins or MTU diesel engine produces more than 1,100 horsepower, giving it the muscle to load even the heaviest trucks within minutes. Paired with the Caterpillar 777D, one of the most reliable and widely used mining dump trucks in the world, this combination is a powerhouse of productivity. The 777D can carry a payload of about 100 tons, and when matched with the EX2600-6, it achieves an incredible loading cycle. Just 4 precise bucket loads to fill up completely. This level of efficiency reduces idle time, saves fuel, and boosts overall mine output. Each scoop from the Hitachi's giant bucket showcases not just power, but the operator's skill, maintaining perfect balance, speed, and accuracy even in rough, dusty mining conditions. Behind every smooth operation is a story of coordination. The operator, spotter, and truck driver all working together in harmony. It's not just machines at work. It's teamwork powered by engineering excellence. So next time you see a massive mining operation in action, remember, every bucket counts, and every second saved means tons of progress underground. The Hitachi EX2600-6 and CAT 777D combo proves how far mining technology has come, where raw power meets human precision. If you enjoyed this mining story, don't forget to like, share, and comment which machine you want to see next in action. Stay tuned for more real stories from the heart of the mining world.